Hello, moin, ladies and gentlemen, Donspektor here with another Donboxing, and I have for you finally the Topping A50 III. It took it, I don't know, like 1.5 longer than it should have, but it's finally here. And before I start the unboxing, so everybody probably of you have probably seen Chinese Tape Man. This is how Chinese tape men thought they pack my A50. So it's all wrapped in tape and then some foil on the, bubble wrap on the outside. So that is huge work for Chinese tape man. He was in a good mood, I can tell you. Very good mood. So yeah, but a good mood now I'm also, because I can finally unbox this and use it as in stack how it should be. And yeah, the packaging here of the A50 is exactly the same as of the D50, which I already unboxed some time ago. So that means it's a black box, alright. It has a white outside cardboard, and when we unbox it, it feels relatively heavy to the hand, maybe even heavier than the D50 question mark. I'm not entirely sure. I don't have the scale here on hand, so I can't weight it. But yeah, so packaging is exactly the same. I think it's also exactly the same size, which would make sense because for a stack these are supposed to have the exact same size. Again, same box with topping on here, back nothing. And let's shake it loose. Yep, and let's directly take a look at the A50. This actually feels a bit heavier than the D50, I have to say, but aesthetic exactly the same. It's an again, reminds me of the JDS Labs Atom stack in terms of optics. So it's like squarish with rounded corners, and at the front you have a 4.4 balanced, and I think this is this is 6.3. This is the 4.4 balanced, and the knob. Let's give it some knob action. High resistance, easy to rotate though, should be very precise in terms of how to set it. Feeling good, is also aluminium, not plastic. And the button is exactly the same as it is with the D50 here. And yeah, we get 3 gain levels, low, medium and high. At the back, the same 4 feet, which should have maybe been chosen also a bit higher, because yeah, that gives it a bit better air circulation, better cooling. And at the back here we can select between balanced and single-ended. Here we have forward, I don't know what this is used for honestly, but it's a balance connection, single-ended RCA, and here the power input. And I think here we should have the charging cable, and yeah, that's what we get. We get this beautiful charging cable. Oh, I got the European connector, nice. So actually I can also use this. Yeah, European connector for me. And you also, oh well, actually we also get the US one, so if you are here not European, you can also use that, neat. And we get a 6.3 to a 3.5 adapter. Yeah, some more to say here. Actually, I really don't know what this is actually used for. For Word, I don't know. Honestly, I need to check the manual. Does it come with a manual? No. That's everything you get. Quick start guide. Okay, I have to take a look at the quick start guide to see what this actually is doing. Okay, yeah, that's it. Quick unboxing of the Topping A50. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, if you have criticisms, if you have any other feedback, please leave a comment. And with this, Donspektor